Telecom. And today we are here at Thunderbird Resort, Binangonan, Rizal for the Digital Influencers Marketing Summit. We are here to network and basically to learn how to serve you, the Philippine gaming community, better. Here's a look on what happened.
Of an influencer is kind of action that you create in other people.
Just by doing what you do because you believe in it, you can touch other people's lives for the better.
Okay, the business building formula. Would you like to know what it is? Yeah. Okay, the leads times conversion rate times price equals sales.
The Digital Influencers Marketing Summit is an advocacy of Digital Filipino. We aim to encourage Filipinos from all over the country to participate, especially those who would like to realize their digital influencer potential. If you want to develop your digital influencing potential, you can log on to influencerbootcamp.digitalphilippine.com and learn how to become a digital influencer.